Every week, there's another headline about AI cutting jobs. Layoffs, streamlining, headcount reduction, always presented as inevitable. I want to show you what actually happens when a company thinks before it acts. IKEA introduced an AI chatbot called Billy. Billy handles 47% of all customer service inquiries. Order status, delivery times, store hours, the repetitive stuff. 8,500 employees now have much lighter workloads. The obvious move at this point? Layoffs. IKEA did the opposite. They looked at the 53% that Billy couldn't handle, not to fix the chatbot, but to understand what customers actually needed. The answer was interior design help. That's not a support ticket, that's actually a sales opportunity. And they already had 8,500 people who knew how to listen and build rapport. Why? Because AI cannot build rapport. Humans can. They retrained those employees as remote interior design consultants. First full year, $1.4 billion in new revenue, billion with a B. A new business line that didn't exist before AI walked in the door. Bottom line, the AI wasn't the win. The analysis itself and the execution afterwards was. AI is a tool. What you do next is on you. IKEA asked, what does this make possible? Most companies never ask that question. They take the efficiency win, declare the project done, and move on. But we need to start asking what else we can do. Because given the right context, AI can give you a different perspective. New products, new services, new processes that you didn't see before. Now, not every company can copy this exactly. The lesson is not deploy AI, get $1.4 billion. The lesson is ask what AI or automation frees your people to do before you decide what it replaces. Those are two completely different questions. 47% handled by AI looks like a win. IKEA asked what the other 53% was telling them. And that's the shift. Stop looking at AI output as the finish line. Start looking at it as a map. The data shows you what AI can do. The gap shows you what your customers actually need. And that's where humans come in. AI can answer, AI can route, AI can generate options. But it cannot read the room. It cannot feel the hesitation in a customer's voice. It cannot build trust. You will always do that better than any model ever will. So here's the bottom line. Figure out what inside your business AI can handle and free your people to do what AI never will. That's not a threat to your team. That's the entire point. I'm Radu. I've spent over 20 years working across different aspects of technology, and I'm a big believer in what AI and automation can bring to your business when it's done the right way. Without the hype, without the risk, and without putting your business or your people in a position they cannot recover from. If that resonates with you, follow me. I put out content like this regularly. No fluff, no clickbait. Just real examples and real talk about what AI can and cannot do for your business. Link is in the description if you want to go further. Until next time.